Hi, my name's Toby. You're watching Dart from Scratch, where I learn Dart from scratch, and you watch me learn Dart from scratch. So, Dart is a programming language that is good for making web apps, but this time we're going to use it for making a command line app, and it's going to be solving a real life problem which we have, and I'm very, very sorry about the terrible lighting that I have in here. It's the best I've got. So we're going to be solving a real life problem, and this problem is that basically we're going to be creating a set of lessons for teaching literacy in a particular language, and the lessons introduce one letter at a time, and we want to order the letters that are introduced according to the maximum amount of words available as early as possible in the lesson series. So here we have a list of words. Now it's not an exhaustive list of words in the language. It's only 377, I believe. But in this, each line is a word, and the word is written out in three different scripts. It's the same word, Pichwa, 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 in three different scripts, and then fourthly it's the English gloss and translation to English, and these are separated by tabs. I've just noticed there's some numerals there which shouldn't be there. That's because there's two meanings for this word, so it's got numerals 1 and 2 for the different. Anyway, we can ignore those. Anyway, so what we're going to do is we're going to write a Dart application to order the letters of this. There's 32 letters, I believe, in this alphabet, which is the first one used in this script. First script, and so we're going to order them according to what I just said. And we're going to learn Dart as we do it, and also we're going to learn the atom. This is the first time I've used atom as well. So basically, Dart, I haven't used it yet. I've read about it. I really like it from what I've read, and I've started reading a book called something like Learning Dart, 2nd edition, or something like that. I've started reading. The first few chapters have given me some syntax, and now we're going to start trying to program. So let's do it. So we're going to make a file. Okay, and we're going to check that. We're gonna make a hello world. Now for Dart you have to have a main function. I think it looked like this, and I'm going to just go like this. I think you need this. Is like C style sort of syntax, as you can see. And I'm going to see, let's save that. It actually, and there we have a hello world. Okay, so we need to import we need to read the words. Okay, so we need to import an IO library, and then I don't know what to do. So let's have a look. This is the Dart website. Now it's interesting. Dart is like you can use it for web apps, and that's what it seems to be designed for. But you can also use it for command line apps, which is what we're doing, and we can use it for building mobile apps for Android and iOS. So that's great. And now I'm going to work out how to read let's try this. Why do we want async? I think .io is aimed at server-side code runs on server.vm. This article will give you a feel for what kind of possible by going through a couple of examples. Single-threaded. Okay, so the I/O, the async. Okay. File, new file, define. I'm going to just say read file. Yeah, Stack Overflow is the way. File, DOM file, maybe this is. Yeah, this is no good. It's trying to use Datium. Okay. Yeah, this one, come on. New file path. Okay. Open input stream. Lines. String input stream. Oh, I thought it'd be simpler than this. Oh no, maybe it's changed. Come on. Okay, we're back on this page. Let's see what we get done. Web servers. This is not. We just want to read a file. Oh, you have a stream of this inches. That's interesting. Okay. Okay. Read a string synchronous. You do not want to block. Okay. Read a string, so that's a blocking. Okay. I'm happy to block. Okay, that's fine. Yeah. Okay, this is what we need. Okay, let's do this. I don't know whether to use. Anyway, I'll just use single quotes for now. Talk about that and contents. Now, this is, look at this. You can use var, which is like JavaScript. It's like completely untyped, but in reality, you can also use types in Dart. So this is just like the non-specified type, and that means I just I don't know what I'm getting out of this. Okay, what can I say? Type. I don't know. Let's guess. Okay, let's save this. What happens? Oh, library URL expected. Oh, hang on. Bang. I need to have a thing, right? No. Okay, so what am I doing wrong? Back to this. Import. Oh, I'm supposed to do it like this. Aha! Ah, yes! Tried calling type. No such method. Right, fair enough. But it obviously read the file. I don't know why it just... Okay, I just... For contents, it looks like one whole string. And yes, tab separated. Okay. Okay, so it's one whole string. Let's say it's one whole string. Okay. So we need to... we need to get it into lines, okay? Split maybe on the new line character, which I'm going to put in like a print lines. What's going to happen? No. Yeah. Okay, it's not like Ruby, I can't just leave out the brackets. Okay, I think we've got it in lines. Okay. Do we have something like this? Yes. Okay, so we've got it in lines. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a class for words. Something like this. How do you do a class? You have a constructor, which may be similar to Java. I'm versed in Java. Now I'm going to give it a the line for the constructor. And I'm going to say now I want to find out how to do string interpolation. So I read the syntax, but I've just forgotten all of it entirely. Language for use a number is Okay. Right, just put a okay, so we want to put a new line, that's why I'm doing that. So now I want to line construct. So now I'm using this. Okay. Lines for line in line. Is this right? New word. Okay, let's see what happens. Yeah, okay. I think it likes to have the parentheses. Fair enough. I'm a Ruby programmer. I have to get over not get over that line. Okay. Okay, how do we do loops? Oh, come on. Not the event loop. Just normal loop. Dart for absolute beginners. The book I've got. Okay, I can use the for loop. I don't want to use an old-fashioned. I'm sure it has other ways to write it. Yeah. That's what I said. Here, look. For. Oh, I've got to give it a type. Of course, okay. Got to. Let's give it. Let's see. Go. Got it. So now I'm constructing words. So now what I've got to do is I've got to split the line on the tab. Let's go fields. Now, string total word. That's the language. With its, I think you can do separated declaration. One word, and then the other orthography is Bangla. Let's just Bangla word. English glossary. Now what I'm going to need also is a set of letters. So because I want to get which ones can be used when you've learned those letters, then it makes sense to make it a set where for each letter it occurs once. Because once you've learned this letter, which is R, then you don't have to learn it twice. You only learn it once, and you got both of them. So there needs to be a set. So total word is the first one. Okay. I'm sure there's nice shortcuts to do these sort of assignments, which I'm not using. But I don't know what they are, so I'm going to do this. Okay, and then the letters, I'm going to take the Toto word and split it. And I'm assuming I can split it on nothing, it'll get me the letters. And I'm going to say to set, something like that. That's kind of what I want, and I'm guessing I've got all the syntax wrong. Actually, no, what happened? Didn't save it as happened. Okay. Toad. Right, yes. Fields. What? Oh, sorry. Sorry. I could just, yeah, I like to do that. Okay. Okay. To set. Okay, let's keep going. Dart list to set. Set from okay. No, what's going on? Oh, the funny thing you can put constructors. So I say this is actually a constructor. This is not just a normal. So I think I have to use the new keyword. The constructors can be named differently to the class name because you can't actually do overloading of functions. Okay. Invalid, but not in the range 0 to 2. Let's say range error 3. Okay, so we've got somewhere we've got something which doesn't have all the Okay. I know, it looks like yeah, okay. So okay, if fields dot length is less than 4, print the first one, okay, else. So, this was IntelliJ, that would have indented that. Okay. Thank you, Atom. Right. Yeah. Okay. So we because that's not tab. That's not tab. And what on earth is going on there? 14. Come on. Oh no, don't. Because bolting doesn't have a. I've tried to. I printed. Means bucket. Means bucket. Okay. This one is an empty line. Okay. No. Why are you putting an empty line on there? Oh, why is it putting an empty line? Okay. Okay, so I think we're okay. I thought I was printing field 0. What I was actually printing is fields, and then 0 is, because the coloring should have told me that, syntax highlighting is part of this string that's not interpolated. Anyway, don't need it anymore. I think I've just about fixed it apart from that. Okay, yeah. So I gotta make sure that the length of the line is more than 0 before I make a new word from that line. Okay, and now I'm going to print the total word. Okay, I'm using underscores. I don't know if I'm supposed to be using camel case. Unlit range error again. If I get through, not 5, to B's. Oh. again. And it's a new day for me. So my video recording, the audio stopped at some point along the way, so I'll continue from where that left off. And here we have this problem, which is this tab. So I've worked out that this, it looks like when I press tab in the Atom editor here, it replaces my tabs with spaces, which I don't know why it would assume I don't want tab characters in a plain text file, but that's what's happening. So I'm going to copy a tab from here. So that's working now. Another thing that's annoying me about Atom Editor, it seems that to assume that I want to have a blank line at the end of my plain text file, which I don't. When I delete it and I press Ctrl S to save, it puts it back in. I don't know why. So I'm sure Atom Editor is great, but so far it's yet to prove itself to me. And also it's not doing any syntax autocomplete, even though I've got the Dart plugin, so I don't know. Anyway, let's keep going. We've got this working. So now what we're going to do is we're going to make a list of words. Oh, one other thing is now I've worked out that I should be using camel case instead, which is why to set didn't work, because the syntax is camel case. I could have said to set with camel case and it would have worked. It's okay, I've got set from now and it's working fine. But I'm going to change, I should be doing it like, there's a way to select more than one. Is there a refactor? Yeah, look, I should have. Oh, what the difference? No. I don't know what that means. Oh no, I don't know. I just want to change the. I just want to be able to change them both at the same time. I know there's a way to do it. So I've seen MPJ, and you can do it with Sublime Text as well, selecting all occurrences and editing them all at the same time. And you can do it in Atom. I've seen MPJ do it. If you don't know MPJ, follow his YouTube channel called Fun Function. It's well worth watching his videos. Now, so it still works. Okay, so I've got this. I want to do then to add all words. Okay. Okay, and then I've got all the words, and I want to get the letter ordering. So I'm going to get a list called ordered letters. Okay. And then I'm going to output. I'm going to, yes. Yes, I'm going to output the ordered letters along with the words. Yeah. Okay, so I need to make those functions. Order letters is okay. It's going to return a list. No, it's not going to return a list. It's going to return a queue. Okay, queue is like a list, but it's like first in, first out. It's going to take a list of words. I think queue is appropriate in this case. Okay. Now I'm just going to put in just some padding, like some dummy code. What I'll do is I'll just collect because it needs to be ordered, but also it needs to be unique, each one. The set helps make things unique, but I definitely need it to be ordered, and the set is not ordered. So I'm using a queue. And for word in words, for each word I'm going to go through the letters. For letter, I suppose this is a string. So let's look at vowel in this case. Letter in word dot letters. Okay. If the letters, well, this is just, I should call it something else. I just call this all letters. All letters. Oops. Contains letter, something like that. I don't know the syntax. And then add. Okay, so if the letter's not in there already, let's add it, and then we just return that. So currently we're not ordering them, we're just putting them all in a queue. Okay, then we want to output. So we want to take the queue of letters and we want to take the list of words and do let's see what the syntax is for queue is. Syntax for queue. Oh, it's not in the core library, it's in the collection library. Okay. First returns the first element, but I want to this last element length. Single checks that the iterable is one element and returns the element. Okay. Okay. Add to the end of the queue. Contains good. Remove first. Yeah, okay. First, okay. Okay. Okay, wow. Ordered letters has something in it. We will get the letter and we will, okay. Ordered letters dot remove first. Okay, that's right. Good. Okay, and then we'll just print it. Print letter. Okay, let's see what happens. Semicolon. Line 24. Yes. It's been a while since I've done Java, so I'm not very good at putting semicolons. Oh, okay. Yes. Okay. The method add was called null. What line number? Line 44. What? Oh, maybe that's just to do this. No. 47, is it? No, this one. 27. Oh, word, sorry. Oh. Okay. And oh yes, that's right. I've got to import. Okay. Import. Aha! I've got space in there too. That's, and I've got this. This is an ellipsis. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, oh, so far so good. Okay, so what we need to do is to actually order the letters properly, and then when we print them out, I want to also print the word after each letter, the words that are now able to be learnt, given that we've had those letters. And we need to get rid of this one and this two. Actually, I can probably do it in the word constructor as well. I don't want numerals. Okay, so what I'm going to stop here. We're going to continue that in the next video. So thank you for watching this video where I have started to learn Dart from scratch, and you have watched me start to learn Dart from scratch. I'll see you next time.